if you want to turn on or turn off your always on display or Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our lock screen and AOD, which stands for always on display. So tap here. Now find your always on display option, tap on it. So by the default, it's activated. As you see, the switch is turned on. So you can you can choose whether show lock screen wallpaper or not show bar, when to show. So you can enable your, you can schedule your always on display as scheduled always for new notifications, or tap to show. And basically that's it. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on the switch. It will be turned off. If you want to turn it on again, tap on the switch again. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.